Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see from today's title, today I will be doing a full face with products that cost £5 or under. I was literally in Boots for about an hour or so trying to find these products, some or most of which I have never heard of. So I'm curious to see what this looks like and how they perform. I think this is perfect if you're a student or also if you just love a bargain. I love a bargain. I like finding new things without breaking the bank, so that's what I'll be doing today. And without further ado, let's just get into it. This primer is by a brand that I've never ever heard of, but I saw it in Boots. It's called Natural Collection. I'm going to use their primer. This is a hydrating radiance primer. Let's just go ahead and just put it on my face. I don't actually know the purpose of this primer. I think it's just to add like a shimmer. To be fair, it is quite moisturizing. Like, my skin was dry before I put this on. I did do my skincare, but this is quite nice. This is what it looks like. It's definitely added a glow. It's really subtle though. Oh, it's quite nice. For, I think it was like £3. It's quite cute. So now onto my foundation, my base. I picked up two base products. I actually managed to find a foundation for less than £5. By the same brand. I got the hydrating foundation and I also got the tinted moisturizer. The shade range was not good. It wasn't good at all. But I think I'm going to use the foundation because like we're here to see like the quality heavy products, you know. So I'm going to go in with the foundation. I have no idea if this is actually my shade. If it's not, we're just going to have to work with it because I think this is as close as it gets with their shade range. So we're gonna put this all over my face and see what it looks like. We can see that I have some blemishes and like some redness, so we'll see if that covers that up too. Okay, yeah, the shade is definitely a bit cool. It's not crazy though, like it doesn't look too bad. I like how it has like a glow to it. It is quite luminous. I really like the finish actually. It does feel quite heavy though. It feels like I've got foundation on my skin. If you don't like that feeling, then yeah, maybe the tinted moisturizer is better. I might try that in like another video. So this is the finished foundation and base, and guys, I won't lie, can we see the glow, the coverage? It actually looks really good. It's giving me like NARS Radiant Glow vibes. I'm actually really surprised. I'm very surprised by this. Okay, so concealer, I picked up the Collection Lasting Perfection Concealer in the shade Cashew. I don't know if this is my shade as well. Ooh, it's actually lighter than I expected. I think I have used this concealer before. I just don't remember what I thought about it. Yeah, maybe I should have gone a shade up because this is really pale. Yeah, this concealer isn't like bad to blend out, but I don't like how it's looking under my eye. It's really sticking to everything and I don't like that because I've got quite a dry under eye, so everything is showing. Also, the colour looks quite grey on me. That might be my fault, but yeah, I don't really like the concealer. Anywho, let's just do my eyebrows. I picked up this clear mascara. There was a tinted brow gel in there, but I didn't really want a tinted. I wanted a clear. So I just picked up this from Collection. So I'm just gonna brush my eyebrows with this. I quite like using a bigger brush. So this is quite good. I'm assuming it's not gonna like make my eyebrows feel hard because it is a mascara. But I think it's a great alternative for a brow gel if you can't find one. Yeah, this is doing a good job actually. It's just shaping my eyebrows and just making everything look good. So that was quite easy, straightforward. I also bought a brow pencil from Makeup Obsession, which I've never heard of as well. And it was very cheap and it looked really cool, but I don't really want to do anything else to my brows because I actually liked how this looks. So I think I'm just gonna leave it, but just so you know, you can get a brow pencil for under £5 if you do want one. Next, I'm gonna do eyeliner. This is the e.l.f. liner that I think I have used before, but I finished it, I think. This is the Precision Liquid Eyeliner. I'm gonna do a very small wing because I like how it looks. So I'm gonna use this. It's like the traditional wand and pot kind of vibe. I don't know if you like that. I don't know if we've outgrown that. They also have a pen version, but I think that's over £5. I think it's £6. So if you want to like splurge a little bit, you can get the pen. Oh my gosh, I actually haven't used one of these like things in ages. I don't know how to use it and it's not looking good. I'm not touching it anymore because I'm gonna make it really bad if I do anything else. So that is my liner. It's a nice black, but as I said, if you are not the most confident, like me, I'm not the most confident using that style, then maybe opt for the pen. I completely forgot I bought an eyeshadow palette for £5 as well, and now I've done my liner. I think I might just do like a crease, but I'm gonna show you the palette anyway because it actually looked quite cute. So the eyeshadow palette, I had absolutely zero hope on finding an eyeshadow palette for £5, but I did. I managed to at like the last minute before I left, and it's by the Makeup Obsession brand again. It's the Bare With shadow palette. They had quite a few of these. Let's just have a look. So this is just upon opening. The brown one's kind of broken. I don't know what happened there. But for £5, I mean, can you go wrong? I don't think so. I'm gonna just test out one shade. Let's just dive into it. This is the Flawless shade. It's just the brown. There's a lot of fallout. The pigment is actually okay, to be fair. I'm gonna try a shimmer as well now, actually, because I wanna see what the shimmer looks like. Yeah, I think you could definitely do like a good, decent smoky eye with this palette. I'm gonna take the natural shade, the one that was a bit smashed up. I'm gonna take the Glimmer Shimmer. Ooh, okay. I was expecting it to be quite, like, not as pigmented. Okay. For £5. This is the makeup we're working with for £5 nowadays. Oh my gosh, I wish this was around when I was in school. I'd go into school every day full face. This is like a little trick I do. If my under eye starts creasing, I'll just put an eyeshadow under where it's creasing, so then it looks like it's not there because there's an eyeshadow on top. So that's a little trick if your concealer is not good. Right, for mascara, I picked this Rimmel Extra 3D Lash. I've never used this before, but I think this one lengthens just from the brush. Oh, this is quite nice actually. It's not clumping. It is lengthening. I wanted to make sure that I did Rimmel mascara or like a Maybelline one because they're well known for mascaras. I didn't want to do like a random brand. So this is what the mascara looks like. As you can see, it did a good job. I kind of went ham with my bottom lash line, but I like how it looks. So for bronzer, I am using the Natural Collection bronzer in the shade Copper. This one has a shade. Yeah, this is not bad. It's not like crazy good. It's got a bit too much glitter for me, to be honest. It's got a lot of shimmer in it and I don't know if I like that. For blush slash highlight, I picked up the Collection Gorgeous Glow block in number 1, I think, or blush block. I don't know the shade of it, but it looks like this. It looks quite cute, so I picked it up. So I'm just gonna go ham. Oh, that's very pigmented. Oh my gosh. Oh wow, okay. It's very pigmented and it's got a lot of shimmer as well. I think I've actually ruined the foundation with all this like powder. I think it would have looked really nice if I used cream products or like liquid bronzer or something instead of a powder, because I feel like now the finish of the foundation is kind of lost. Yeah, I feel like the foundation now looks matte. Not matte, but it doesn't look as skin-like as it did before, and it doesn't feel like it either. It feels very like I've got a lot of powder on my skin and I don't really like that. Okay, now final step is the lips, and I just picked up a normal clear gloss. This is the Makeup Obsession Plumping Lip Gloss, and I don't know how different it can be from a normal clear one, but we'll see. This lip gloss is actually really cute and it's plumping as well, like it's making my lips tingle, so they're gonna look extra juicy as well. But yeah, it's not sticky, it's not like, you know when you wear lip glosses and it's just not nice. It's not like that. So again, I think this is gonna be in my bag. So yeah guys, that is the finished look on my £5 makeup product tutorial where I just used £5 products, and to be honest, collectively I think it does not look bad at all. Like, you could not tell me these products look £5. So yeah, this is just restoring faith in makeup, that you don't need to spend a lot of money to have good products. You can spend £5 or even way less, to be honest. Some of these products were like £3. So yeah, there's some good stuff out there, and I'll link everything down below for you guys. If you guys have any other products less than £5 that you use, then please let us know. We love a bargain. But yeah guys, thank you again so much for watching. I will see you guys again in my next video. Bye.